Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking ABC. Today we are going to make a very popular recipe of loaded fries, and there are many kinds of like loaded fries. Every restaurant have its own kind. I'm going to tell you the most common, which I love the most, the loaded potatoes with cheese and olives and all the sauces there. So let's begin. It's very simple and easy method of making this. So first we have to make simple fries of any kind of potatoes, whatever potatoes are available. So here are all the potatoes peeled off, washed. I'm gonna cut them. Okay, so one more important thing I want to mention here, that when you are going to cut them, I know some people like crispy and thin slices, thin chips, but I would suggest you, like for the loaded fries, you must make them in thick cut for the fries, because when we are going to, because they have to be cooked in two times. First they have to be fried and then we have to put them in the oven, so they will be a bit of overcooked and more crispier if you don't keep them thicker slices of potatoes. So here are all the fries which I have cut, and you can see how thick I have cut them. They will taste better. The more the thick, the tastier. So here we are going to add the salt, normal table salt in the fries. I have taken, like, they are almost 1 kg of potatoes, and I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, table salt, and we will just mix them up, and we will add the salt again once they are fried and before putting them into oven after adding all of the sauces. So now I'm gonna put them in the oil, and I'll see you after frying. So here you can see how beautiful they are looking. They are smelling delicious. They are frying up, and I am in love with fries. Like I can have fries forever. And you can see, but I would recommend you that before turning them golden or red, you should take them out. Otherwise they will be crispier, but they will be more crispier, and we want them to be soft, because they have to, again I'm repeatedly saying it, that they have to be put in the oven, and so they need to be softer. Okay, so here are the sauces that you are going to make, and you can add more or less any amount of sauces. I'm going to take standard amount, and that is 1 tablespoon of ketchup. If you want to add, like, if you like any of them more, you can add them obviously more, and they are totally optional. If you don't want to add them, there is no problem. You can skip them. So I like mustard sauce a lot, so this is mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon, and mind you, 1 tablespoon of mustard is a big amount. Like, we don't normally add mustard sauce in that quantity, like equal to ketchup, but I like mustard sauce more, so I'm gonna add it in more quantity. And in the last, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. This is also called HP sauce, and we are going to mix them up. Here we have 3 sauces: ketchup, or you can also take chili sauce if you like chili garlic sauce, or HP sauce or barbecue sauce and mustard sauce, and we have made a paste out of them. And I'm gonna put it aside until our fries are done. Okay, so this is the same container which are given in restaurants when they serve you loaded fries, like for home delivery, or even in the restaurant. So I've taken the same one. This is made with, I think, aluminium. So although there are less chances that fries will stick to it, but because we are adding up cheese, so cheese might get stick to the sides or lining up the containers. That's why I am oiling it a bit. the same oil in which fries were being fried, or you can take any oil. So I have oiled up the container. Now we are going to add the fries, but before that I want to show you that I don't know if this is focusing or not. Yes. So you can see the fries. These are not fully cooked, like they are tender, they can be eaten, but we have not like that we did not browned them, or we did not cook them until they get crispier. So like they are still very soft. Like you can see, I can fold them and they are still oily, and I did it on purpose. I left them, or I left the oil in them so that they don't stick with the container and to with each other a lot. So you can spread them like that. And table salt, a bit of table salt again, a little bit, because we already added them before frying. After that, this sauce, I am going to add this sauce. So this totally depends on you, how much quantity of the salt you want to add, and if you want to skip, you can totally skip it. It's all up to you. But the thing is, this sauce doesn't let the fries go very much dry or very much crispier, and we can mix it a little bit so that they are coated from every side. Or we can take one more thing I can do. We can take that same brush, oiling brush, and we can try to spread the sauce on all of the fries thoroughly. And I have spilled it here. Okay, now I have got this is homemade mozzarella cheese. You can add any kind of cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. I will, in some video, inshallah, I am going to tell you how to make mozzarella cheese at home. You can use cheddar cheese, you can use any cheese which is available at your home, and we will, like, again, the amount of cheese solely depends on your choice, or how much cheese you like. And so so when I was you can see the layer of the cheese. When I was shredding it, it came up like the peel, and I'm putting it as it is, and it is going to taste yum. Okay, so we can also add the mixture of cheddar and mozzarella like we do in the pizzas. And this the garnish or the dressing solely depends on you. So here I have some olives, sliced black olives. If you want to add, if you don't want to add, then skip it. If you want to add, you can add olives, green olives, black olives, any kind of olives which you like, and as much as you like. I love olives, black olives, so I like them a lot. So I'm gonna add them. If you have jalapenos at hand, you can also add jalapenos. I don't have right them, so I'm not adding them. So now at the end, you can take any company's HP sauce or barbecue sauce, and we are going to add that like that. And believe me, this tastes heaven. And like this, and they are going to be the best loaded fries of your life. So I'm gonna put them in the oven for like at least mostly like at the most for 10 minutes. you have to keep an eye on them. It depends on your oven, if you have an electric oven or Azan is started.